1,045,662, 53,082, 1,045,662, 53,082, 1,045,662, 53,082. She had to be insane, because all she could regurgitate was numbers, a vocab of numbers, and no one knew why, or should I say, no one was that interested in the answer. Her mom would substitute hugs with daily doses of the strongest medicine that doctors would allow, so that little Jenny's outbursts in numbers can transform into meaningless gazes at white walls. A medicine can't hide the fact that your 7-year-old girl who once bathed in knowledge became a verbal slave, and I should have said something. Being your big cousin, your replacement for a sister, I should have told your mom to take a second to disconnect from her boyfriend's lips to see the tremble in yours. I should have told your mom that you can't go from being on the top of your 2nd grade class to dreading being called upon. I should have told your mom to stop applying for the job of being someone's future wife, and when she wasn't fulfilling her occupation as your mother, but now my words are just as useless as your numbers were. Constantly increasing like the mileage of a beat-down car without any expectation of repair. 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 1,045,662, 53, 0, and I always asked what was wrong. And now I see that you didn't want the question to come from my lips, but you gave the answer too soon, in the form of a letter, a rope, and a chair that lost the battle of holding up your feet. 82. How many times your brother's boyfriend would sneak in your room, covering your mouth with any signs of screams, only allowing you to speak in numbers, convincing your naive mother that you were only counting sheep in 1,045,662. How many times you were convinced that eggplant-colored walls embraced you, the fumes of new paint became your companion. 53. How many times you plastered your hands together, praying for God to take your life because 7 had to be the number of completion and 0. How many times your mother gathered up the courage to look you in your eyes when your talkative nature changed to numerical stature, and I'm still praying that there's no heavenly mathematics for you up there, just one and infinity, one God who loves you in all ways and knows every language you speak. I was too busy being a kid, and she was too busy looking at her boyfriend's cell phone rather than in your room, and you spoke the revelation in your only permitted language